Vikas, Gagan, Momita were partners sharing profit 2 to 1. Accounts closed on 31st March every year. On 30th September, Momita died, means third partner has died. According to the provision of the partnership deed, the legal representative of the deceased partner are entitled to get the following: capital as per last balance sheet, 6% interest on capital, sharing profit on the basis of average profit of last 4 completed years, sharing goodwill to be determined on the basis of 3-year purchase of the average profit of last 4 years. 4 years profit were as follows: capital as given and drawings given, interest on drawing as given. Read out question. First, who is deceased partner? Momita, and his sharing profit sharing ratio and his share is 1/5. She died on 30th September. Then what is the period? 9 months. Why this is 9 months? Account closed on 31st March. 6 months. From April 1st to 30th September, there are 6 months. Then it is 6/12. First, Momita's capital. It has given Momita's capital 60,000. Interest on capital 60,000%. 6. Period 6/12. 6 at 2 say 300. This is 1800. Sharing profit on the basis of average profit of last, what is given? Average of last 4 years. अब देखो कितना दे रखा 30, 50, 80, 120, 180. Total profit is 1,80,000 divided by 4. 45,000 is average profit. ये क्लियर है? पहले क्या किया अपन? ये क्लियर है? अपन ने क्या किया? First, we have to calculate the average profit of last 4 completed years. 30 plus 50 plus 40, 120 plus 60, 180 divided by 4, 45,000. Calculate his share. 45,000 into his share, 1/5 into period 6/12. 6 से आ जाएगा 2, 5 to 10. This is 4,500. Sharing goodwill value. First, you have to value the goodwill. What is given? 3-year purchase of the average profit of last 4 years. Average profit just we have determined, calculated. कितना calculate किया? 45,000. Then goodwill is 3-year purchase. 1,35,000. His share 1/5. 27,000. Revaluation profit has not given. Accumulated profit has not given. Salary or commission has not given. देखो पहले क्रेडिट वाले पॉइंट क्लियर है क्या सबके? अब डेबिट में 2 ही पॉइंट है, एक ड्राइंग्स और एक इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग. Yes, debit. First is drawings, second is interest on drawings. Drawings has given 10,000. Interest on drawing 300. Prepare Momita's capital account. First credit side buy balance BD. What is given? 60,000. Interest on capital 1800 शेयरिंग प्रॉफिट। क्या एंट्री करता है? शेयरिंग प्रॉफिट की। P&L, P&L अकाउंट डेबिट, P&L अकाउंट गलत बोला है, सस्पेंस अकाउंट डेबिट। यह आएगा बाई P&L सस्पेंस 4500। अब गुडविल की एंट्री, रिमेनिंग पार्टनर टू डिसीज पार्टनर। हु आर रिमेनिंग पार्टनर? गगन एंड विकास अकाउंट डेबिट, गगन अकाउंट डेबिट 2:2 यानी इक्वल प्रोपोर्शन बाय विकास बाय गगन। कितना अमाउंट देना है? 27, 13,500, 13,500। There is no revaluation profit, accumulated profit or salary or commission. Come to the debit point. Two drawings, 10,000. Two interest on drawings, 300. और जो बैलेंस होगा वो मोमिताज एग्जीक्यूट करेगा। 27, 87, 92, 93,300 लेस देन 83,300। तब कितना आ जाएगा? 83। देखो एक बार क्लियर है क्या? सबका हो गया ये? आई हैव टू वेट और नो? ओके ओके।